Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Koya from the McDonald's Happy Meal. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a large curve across at the top. And then let's curve it down and in on both sides. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start near the bottom and let's draw a large curve up and back down for the nose. And then close it off at the bottom. Now on each side, let's draw an angle down for the eyes. And then let's thicken them up slightly, like this. Now we're going to hop underneath the nose and let's draw a curve for the mouth. And let's thicken this line up as well. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the ears. Let's start with two large curves up on the top corners. And then add another curve inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's add the body. We're going to start by leaving a gap and we're going to draw a line across. Then on each side, let's add a curve down for the sides of the body. And another set of curves inside for the belly patch. And then two more curves down on the sides for the arms. Now that we're done the body, let's hop underneath and let's draw the spaceship. Let's start at each end and let's bring it out and curve it down. And then connect it with a curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw another line across, curving it slightly upwards. Now we're going to hop underneath and let's draw a point down and in on each side. And then another set of points. And then one more in the center. And that's it for Koya. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!